Hello everyone, I hope I am audible. So from today onwards, we are going to start Striver Ki A to Z DSA course, DSA sheet, and in this course we will solve every question that it is in this DSA sheet. So first of all, we will start with arrays. So what is arrays? I hope you already know what is arrays because this is not a introduction series. This is program problem solving series. Okay, so we have the first we have the first question here. The question says largest element in an array. So I have opened this question. Let me I hope my screen is visible to you all. So yeah, so in this question we are given an array of integer nums and we have to return the largest element in the array. So what it says? It says basically we are given an array in which there are multiple integers. It is an integer array and its name is nums. And we have to return the largest element, maximum element in the array. For example, let's see this code. Okay. In this code, what is here basically? Let me I in this Notion page I basically wrote the question link. I am going to attempt this on this date and the difficulty is easy. You can also follow this structure so to keep basically your notes in place and basically revisit them whenever you want. Okay, so yeah, so first of all, let me write an array. For example, my array is 1 2 4 5 8 2 7. So this is my array. Let me increase the screen. Let me increase their font size. Yeah, I hope it is visible now. So what is the largest element in this array? If you see, you will say 8, right? If you see, you will see 8. But how can I tell the computer that it is 8? You have to return me 8. How? So in this case, what we are going to do is basically traverse this whole array, traverse this whole array and keep track of largest element. Okay guys, I hope you got the point what I am trying to say to you all, right? So what we have to do is I am going to traverse this whole array and keep track. Whenever I iterate, I will keep track of largest element. How? For example, let's try run this, right? Let's try run this code. My I is at 0 now, right? And I have a variable. I have the current variable as 1. And let me tell you this, before initializing the loop, you have to have a maximum element. Initialize a variable named maximum element, or you can give any name to that element. And let's say it's any biggest number. Let's say current of 0. Sorry, nums of 0. What I am trying to say that in max element, give the value as nums of 0. That we are supposing, imagine that this the very first element of this array is the largest element. I don't know yet, but I am assuming it, right? And we will compare what that if my current is greater than max element. If it is, then in max element, put the current value. So as you can see, the maximum element is what is hamara 1, right? And the current is also 1. So is current greater than max element? I am not talking about equals to, I am only talking about greater. No, So it will, the if condition will not run, and I is equals to 1. The current value now is 2, and we will check the same condition, that if current is equals to max element, current is 2, max element is 1, is this condition true? Yeah. So in this case, max element value will be 2, right? And now I is equals to 3. Now the current element is 4, right? So my current element is 4 and my max element is 2. Is my current element greater than max element? Of course. So what will be my max element now? The max element will be updated and its value will be 4. In I is equals, sorry, it should be second iteration, not third. Yeah, this should be third. Sorry for the confusion. Now the next current element is 5 and my max element is 4. So is my current greater than max element? You will say of course, right? So max element, now the max element value will be 5. Now at iteration 5th, right, my current element is 8. So is 8 greater than 5? You will say of course. So my max element value will be 8, right? Now at 6th iteration, which is the value 5, my current value will be what? 2. So is 2 greater than 8? No, of course not. So max element will remain same, that is 8, right? At the last iteration, you will say that current value is 7, right? Is 7 greater than 8? Is current value max greater than max element? Of course not. So at the end of the for loop, when I is equals to 7, the for loop will end and we will return what? Max element. So can you see what is the value of the max element? It is 8. So it will retain 8. Okay, got it. So this was very simple test case, very simple example. So let's write this. I am writing this code in Java. You can follow whichever language you are familiar with, right? So we will initialize a max element, which is nums of 0, right? And we will write a for loop int I is equals to 0, I is less than nums dot length I plus plus, right? And we will do one thing, that if हमारा if हमारा nums of I, which means current element, is greater than max element, then do what in max element? Nums of I, right? And after doing this, I guess I added this extra curly brace. Now it's good. I will return what? I will return हमारा max element, right? Let's try to run this. Yeah, it got accepted, but I can't submit it yet because I have to purchase the premium. But it is the code. You can you can try with your test cases and check if this code is working for your code. And please guys, please dry run yourself so that you can understand the problem better, you can understand the intuition better. And I will share the Notion link as well as the code link on the GitHub, right? I will share these both in the description. So that's it. Thank you. Bye bye. Keep coding.